Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the headlights. We're going to do it on the driver's side or left side of the vehicle, because there's a few pieces that you need to remove to do that. The passenger side, you can do that without taking it all out, but you don't really need to remove anything to do that side. So I'm going to show you on this side. Okay, so to start with, we've moved up here. We would like to take this piece off, which is part of the air intake, and then this piece here, and then that way we can get access to be able to get down here to replace the three lights that we can replace. Right? So to get this, we have a push pin right here that we need to remove, and we just pull this tab here to undo this. So use whatever tool you like to use to get push pins out. Small screwdriver or a pick tool work well. Okay, so with that on, then we can pull this thing off, rubber grommet holding it in right there. Set that to the side. And then next, we have two push pins that are up here, one here, one there. Just remove those, and then we've got a number 10 bolt that needs to be removed on this side. And with those two components removed, now we have access to come back here to be able to remove the bulbs and replace them. So with the components removed, this one we could actually have reached down without taking it off, but it makes it easy to reach back down in here. With those components removed, we can twist this a quarter turn counterclockwise to be able to get it to come undone. You'll also want to undo the electric by pressing the tab and pulling it out. This is your light bulb. This is your low beam light to be replaced. This light is an H11, and so you would get your new H11, and then you can put it back in. Note that the this tab here, it was facing to the bottom. It will also keep a lot of the moisture out of it. So get it in there, about a 45 up. Yep. And then quarter turn to the right. Tighten it in there. Do your best not to touch the light bulb, or you will affect the life of the light. And then when that's all done, then just hook the electrical connector back up, and you would go ahead and put those air intake pieces back on. So that's how you replace your low beam headlight on your 2019 Nissan Rouge. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.